I don't know about y'all, but my car did come with an air pump, so if my tires go flat, I can easily put air back into them. But let's just say my battery dies, well, there's no way for me to be able to charge my battery back up. And that's why I grabbed one of these. This is a portable jump starter and a portable air pump all in one. And by the way, these are currently about 70% off right now with free shipping. Only downside to that is these are selling quick, so if you do want to grab one, you have to go ahead and get it now before they sell out. I left a link right here, but let's get to the features. So on the right side, we have the jumper cables, and they actually have a safety feature which your traditional jumper cables don't have. Let's just say you connect these the wrong way, it makes this beeping noise and this light turns red, but because it cuts the power, you won't have a fire or any type of sparks. But to the air pump, as you can see, it comes with preset PSI modes for a car, bike, motorcycle, and a bar, but you can use the plus and the minus to adjust the PSI. Hit this button to start it, and once your tire or anything that you're pumping up reaches that PSI that you set, it'll automatically shut off so you don't overfill your tires or anything that you're pumping up. Not only that, if you come to the right side, it's a USB port. That's because it's also a portable charger, and if you hold this button right here, you get a bright white light on the side in case it's dark. You also get a red light, a blue light, and a red and blue flashing light for emergency. I recommend this for all drivers. Once again, if you do want to grab it, I did leave a link below, but they are selling quick because of that 70% off discount plus the free shipping. So if you do want to grab it before they sell out, go ahead and get it now.